How to fix Discord account disabled. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. After this you have to go now directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Discord. When you found it, just open it like this and then go directly to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last things is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.